Hi, I'm Omalara, and my single, poor, Black immigrant mom sent both of her kids to Harvard College. How did this happen? A budget decision. So my mom worked at a university which made the decision to offer free college to their employees. This allowed mom to go to school at night, become a pharmacist, and transition us out of poverty. So the extra money she had allowed us to attend better schools, which changed our lives forever. But we're the lucky ones. 84% of kids born in poverty will live in poverty for the rest of their lives. And we know that these are disproportionately Black and brown children. How do we stop this? Just like in my own family story, the answer lies in budgeting decisions, but at the government level. Local governments spend $3 trillion a year, but due to systemic racism, they spend more on school police officers than school social workers, more on foster care than in prenatal interventions. So at Thrive, we built software that identifies systemic racism in government spending. Our equity audits compile everything we know about what it takes to effectively combat poverty, from BIPOC created programs to evidence-based practices. And we roll all of that into an index. And then we compare the index to what the government is actually spending money on. After the audit, we make recommendations for equity-centered budgeting. So we've developed audits for various government agencies like public schools, Parks and Rec, Health and Human Services, police, but we're more than a software company. After the audit, we invite BIPOC leaders to work with government officials to vet the measures, review the findings, and co-create final solutions together. Our process is gaining traction. Since January, a dozen jurisdictions in 10 states have inquired about our software. But that is not enough. Because of our highly scalable solution, we have the ability to impact 38 million Americans living in poverty. But we need your help. We would love help from the Solve community in understanding how to navigate government sales cycles and also introductions to other government partners. This is the team. I'm the impact evaluator who knows what works in local government. Phil has his MBA and MPP from Harvard. He manages operations, and Evan is the developer who built the app. And together, we're making sure that local governments make better spending decisions so that my family story isn't the exception, but the rule.